Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The most exciting future flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, will come with one key design twist. According to the latest available data, the Galaxy S26 Ultra's variant may offer a different frame than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung's current flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is available in many colors. If you are a fan of black, you have two options to choose from: jet black and titanium black. While the former offers a black panel and a black frame, the latter offers a black panel and a silver frame. There's also a vast difference in the shades of black of both variants. Samsung's Ultra lineup has always included a black option, and now, the Galaxy S26 Ultra may not break that tradition. A trusted insider claims that the black variant is coming, but this time with a small design twist that may change its front appearance. There's no word yet on other color options for the upcoming Ultra. According to a well-known tech tipster Ice Universe, known as PhoneArt on X, the Galaxy S26 Ultra's black model will feature a matching black frame. That may sound like a small tweak, but it's a notable departure from recent Ultra models, which paired darker back panels with a lighter silver-toned frame. This change could make the bezels appear wider, as the border around the screen visually blends together with the frame. It doesn't mean that Samsung will offer the Galaxy S26 Ultra in only one black color. There could be two color options, just like the current one: titanium black and jet black. While both of them may offer black frames, their shades of black could differ vastly. As usual, Samsung is expected to offer the three Galaxy S26 models in around 3 to 4 standard colors, along with 2 to 3 online exclusive options. However, the 2026 flagship lineup is reportedly running a bit behind schedule due to delays in finalizing key hardware specs, so it may take longer for accurate color details to surface. The official launch is expected in late January or February 2026. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.